how and where to find the number and class of your PRSI contributions. This video is one in a series Boyle Payroll Project Management, BPPM, have done for Payroll Matters in Ireland. Boyle Payroll Project Management is Ireland's premier payroll outsource provider and tax agency service for PAYE workers who wish to have someone to look after their PAYE tax affairs and complete their PAYE income tax returns. If you wish to make an inquiry about any of these services, simply pop me an email to info@bppm.ie. There are several Department of Social Protection and DSP benefits in Ireland that require paid PRSI contributions in order to be eligible for them. If you have seen any of my previous video guides, you will already know that this is Pádraig here from the YouTube channel, Facebook group and social media platform for all PAYE workers and their employers to ask and get answers to their payroll, PAYE, tax credits, income tax returns, statutory leave entitlements and many more work-related questions. The YouTube channel, Facebook page and group are all called Payroll Matters in Ireland, and new members and subscribers are always welcome. Today I want to talk to you about how to check your PRSI contributions online via MyWelfare, and in so doing to check eligibility before filling out the DSP application claim form for whatever payment that you are claiming. To qualify for certain Department of Social Protection DSP benefits in Ireland, you need to have paid or credited PRSI, pay-related social insurance contributions. These benefits are tied to your PRSI record, so it's important to ensure your contributions are up to date. Here are some examples of the benefits that require PRSI contributions in order to qualify for them. 1. The state pension, contributory. You must have enough Class A, E, F, G, H, N or S PRSI contributions. And this includes meeting conditions like having paid PRSI contributions before a certain age and maintaining a yearly average or total number of contributions. 2. Jobseeker's benefit. You need to have paid PRSI contributions at Class A, H or P and meet specific conditions such as having paid or credited contributions in the last 2 completed tax years. We have outlined these in the first video in this series called Jobseeker's Pay-Related Benefit Scheme General Guidelines and Eligibility Criteria. The link for this video is here. 3. Illness benefit requires PRSI contributions at Class A, E, H or P. You must have a minimum number of paid contributions and meet other criteria. 4. Maternity benefit. You need PRSI contributions at Class A, E, H or S with specific requirements for the number of contributions paid. 5. Widows, widowers or surviving civil partners contributory pension requires sufficient PRSI contributions at the relevant class. 6. Guardian's payment, contributory. Available if you have enough PRSI contributions and are caring for an orphaned child. 7. Occupational injuries benefit. Includes benefits like injury benefit, disablement benefit and death benefit, which require PRSI contributions at Class A, D, H or M. 8. Invalidity Pension for those permanently incapable of work due to illness or disability with sufficient PRSI contributions. 9. Adoptive Benefit requires PRSI contributions at Class A, E, H or S, similar to Maternity Benefit. How to establish your PRSI record online. Log in to MyWelfare.ie using your MyGov ID. Scroll down to Statements, Refunds and Repayments as shown here. Go to Contribution Statements and find out more. Click on Request Now and enter the 2-factor authentication code. This will show your PRSI history, including total contributions and their classifications. Establish PRSI record by phone. Call 00353 1471 5898 on Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Select option 4 for PRSI contribution record check. Establish your PRSI record by email or post. Request a contribution statement by emailing or posting your PPS number, name and date of birth to the Department of Social Protection. I hope the above helps clarify things. My final important message before I leave you for now is, can I ask those of you that have not already done so to hit the subscribe button and also to turn on YouTube notifications for this channel so you can get an alert every time we post a new video guide. And we have many more helpful pay, income tax and other work related guides and videos to bring you. It costs you nothing to subscribe, but could help you save hundreds or even thousands of euro into your hand on paying tax. Go on, hit that subscribe button. Go on. See you next time for the next video in this series about job seekers' pay-related benefit, and it brings you through the steps of how you can check your PRSI contributions and gross income on revenue, my account.